Hey, welcome back, friends, to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I'm going to do an album share with you guys. I have developed a new hinge that will turn any chipboard mini album into a folio, okay? I made this folio from my Journey with Memories photo album. It's made out of chipboard and tie-back and has 6 pages. I don't have the album to show you anymore. But this new system that I come up with, so any hardbound album, that has chipboard and you use a hinge, and the hinge is in the middle and your pages flip, okay? This new hinge of mine will turn any hardbound album into a folio, okay? I will put the link to my album share that I done with the Journey with Memories album. I do have the tutorial for sale on my website, so if you're interested, please go check it out. It is scrappinitup.com, no G. So scrappinitup.com. Go check it out. It's a wonderful tutorial. It does have 6 pages in it, and that's what this folio has, is 6 pages. I did decorate this album with a Kathy Orta King's Flight 2715 paper. Beautiful paper, guys. So if you guys haven't checked out Kathy Orta King's paper lines, they're wonderful, wonderful. And this is one of my all-time favorites, is this album, Journey with Memories. And I'll put the link down below to where you can go to see it in action, the full walkthrough of it, in the comment section below. So yeah, go check it out, ladies. Okay, so this folio I made with me and my big ideas, the Hello collection. Beautiful paper, beautiful paper. I pretty well used the whole collection. I have a few sheets left. When I made this one, it used 2 packs of paper. So if you're going to make one of these, and let's say your paper pack only has 12 pieces in it, I recommend that you get 3 paper packs to make this, okay? Alrighty, let's dive into this. And like I said, this is a folio that I took from, my hardbound, chipboard album, and created a folio with it with my new Floating Folio Hinge, okay? This album measures the same as my Journey with Memories album, and it measures 9 by 10 3/4, okay? And this does have a 2-inch spine. I done it with Craft Tex, okay? And then here's what it looks like that, okay? And then here's what this looks like. And this here I just put over my binding. I should have used black tie-back, and I just used white. I wasn't thinking about it. So I just put those covers just to kind of, when it's folded shut, it just kind of hides it. All right. And this album, like I said, is Live It Up. It is from the Journey with Memories album. So when you open it up, you have my floating hinge on this side and my floating hinge on this side. This album will turn just like our mini albums with it, when it's in the center. And it will flip just like a mini album. But it's a folio. There's no chipboard in this, okay? And like I said, I used Craft Tex. So here's my floating hinge here. So I have 3 pages and 3 pages over here. Because the main album here, it was 6 pages, and it had 3 different page designs. Okay, so this side design is the same as this design. All right, so I'll try and keep it in camera. Beautiful paper to work with, ladies. Beautiful. Now I keep scooting it. And then this side opens up. So you have that. What a beautiful layout. Oh, and I want to show you something else too. This piece of paper is a 12, it was a 12 by 12. And we all get those paper pads that have the great big designs and you really don't know what to do with them. All I done was split it in half here, half here. And I've got a couple other examples, but so, if you have a big piece and you're like, oh my gosh, how am I going to use this? You can split it up like this. All right. So then each page has a pull-out, okay? And it flips just like our normal mini albums would. Beautiful. And again, another pull-out because each page has a pull-out. So that opens. And then this opens. Beautiful, ladies. Beautiful. And see how it just flips just like a mini album. So that opens up. And that. And then you have that. Lots of room for photos, ladies. Lots of room for photos. This would be neat to even make it into a travel album. Okay. And here you just have some pockets. Okay. Just a couple of pockets. And look how flat this is laying. If I can show you. There. Look how flat that's laying, guys. I think you guys are going to like this. I hope you guys like it. Okay. And then this opens up. And you have a belly band underneath here. Okay. Now, here's an example of another big piece of paper. So I cut the design. Well, first I needed this over here. And so I just cut it, what I had left, and then I didn't quite have enough. So then I just used a piece of gray cardstock there. But that's a way that you can split up one of those big pages and, really look nice. Okay? So this just slips back underneath here. Let's go to the other side of our folio, ladies. Okay. So that flips. And then you have a pocket here. So you have that. And then this flips open. And of course you have another pull out here. Okay. And then that flips. Beautiful. And that flips. Am I going to be in the camera? Nope. Of course not. So, what a wonderful spread. You can put a picture here, journal. Just, totally up to you. Totally up to you. And this folio will hold about 200 of your photos. Okay. Of course, another pull out there, ladies. Okay, let me get back into camera. So then, here's what that looks like. And like I said, this side repeats this side. Okay, so you have that. Gotta keep scooting. This really is a fun album to make and decorate. It really is. And then a couple of pockets, just like the other side. Another pull out here. Okay. So pieces like this, you could put a photo here and journal here, or put two photos. Just totally up to you. Okay, and then this flips. This is our back of our last page, and again you have your folio. I know that silver kind of messes, but here is another where I use the full sheet of the 12 by 12. So that's what it can look like. All right, that is my album that uses my floating folio hinge. I think you ladies are really going to like this. And I will be teaching you how to make this binding, okay? I'm not going to teach you how to make this album because I have the tutorial up on my website. So please go check it out. But I will be teaching you the binding, how to turn any, chipboard album that, your spine is in the center into a folio, okay? So my binding system will allow this, okay? I will be posting some more albums that I have made with this floating folio hinge, so you can kind of see the difference in them. So be looking forward to that. Be looking forward to the tutorial where I'm going to teach you the floating folio hinge. Okay, ladies, that's all I have for you today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, or let me know in the comments what you think about this. So, hey, we will talk to you girls later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.